Hello, today I want to talk about how to get instant approval for affiliate marketing for beginners. Welcome to my channel, New Internet Wealth. Please take a look around. Got lots of videos that review different products that I use myself in my own online business, as well as different tips and tricks and strategies to help you be successful online. So today, again, we are talking about how to get instant approval for affiliate marketing for beginners. If you're just getting started in affiliate marketing, that's a great decision because it can be very, very profitable for you. However, one of the biggest hurdles that people face when they get started up with affiliate marketing is they have no track record. Okay, they have no history of sales, and so therefore, when they try to get approval to promote products, they get denied. And so that is a big hurdle. There's a couple ways around this that we're going to talk about. One is you can just buy the product, buy the product and then you own it and then you can review it, you can promote it. Then usually many times if you purchase the product yourself, not only can you review it and promote it, but a lot of sellers will then also approve you if you can show them that you purchased it yourself. So that's one option. But today I want to talk about the easy way to get approved. And this is in the Make Money Online niche, okay? And so Make Money Online products, well, first of all, Make Money Online niche is huge. It's evergreen. People are always looking for ways to make money online, okay? They're looking for side gigs. They're looking for opportunities. And that's why you see a lot of affiliate products being promoted in the Make Money Online niche. This is a website called Muncheye.com. And this is where you'll see a listing of product launches in the Make Money Online niche that are going to be coming up. And so when you go here, these are kind of the bigger sellers, and then this is all the sales, okay? And what you'll notice is it lists the affiliate platform that they're being promoted on. So Warrior Plus and JVZoo are the two big ones. And as you scroll down, you see that's almost exclusively what you see is Warrior Plus and JVZoo. And so if you're trying to promote maybe these products that are coming out and you don't have a track record, then it's going to be very hard to get approved on the Warrior Plus or JVZoo platform to promote these products. So here's a really, really great way to get around that, and that is by purchasing something called Partner and Profit. Now, what this does, it allows you to partner with Michael Cheney, someone who's been online for 20 years, and he has a seven-figure funnel, seven-figure business that he allows you to partner with him on, okay? And what it's going to allow you to do is promote his product called the Seven-Figure Affiliate System. Now, once you purchase Partner and Profit, then you will get approval to promote, automatic approval, Seven-Figure Affiliate System. And you can see you're going to get approved for 100% commissions throughout the entire funnel for the Seven-Figure Affiliate System. So you're going to get approval at 100% throughout. So you could earn over $400 if someone ends up buying every single product in here. And so here I am inside my account for Partner and Profit, just to show you that I did buy it. And when you go to Get Your Money link, that's where he's going to show you, when you click Watch the Video, he's going to show you how to apply to get your 100% commission affiliate link from Warrior Plus. And when you click on that, get that link, it's going to open up this page where you're going to get instant approval to promote his seven-figure affiliate system. And as I showed you before, you're going to get approved at 100% commissions throughout the entire funnel. So super easy way. This is what you're going to be promoting, the seven-figure affiliate system. The great thing about it, this is low ticket, so it only costs people $10 to purchase it. Obviously, the upsells are more, but he handles everything for you. So once somebody gets into this funnel, then he does the rest, okay? So all you have to do is focus on getting people in over to the seven-figure affiliate system and get started. Now, the nice thing about that is, inside Partner and Profit, there's lots of training, lots of things that you can get. some ready-made promos. So to promote the 7-figure affiliate system, promos for Facebook, blog posts, an email swipe series, some other social media. So you get everything you need in order to promote it, as well as extensive training. He's got some great bonuses that will be very helpful for you as well. And then again, these are upsells for the Partner and Profit if you choose to get those. But to me, the beauty of why I would recommend you go ahead and grab Partner and Profit, and I'll leave a link for this in the description box down below, is because, again, you're going to get started with it for just $9.95. So for $10, you're going to be able to get instant approval for Michael's other product, 7-figure affiliate system, in which you're going to get approved for 100% commissions. And then what you can do is, I would also in Warrior Plus apply to promote Partner and Profit, because you can get approved for that as well once you showed him that you've purchased it, and get 100% affiliate commissions for that as well. So it's a great system. If you've been struggling to get approved to promote products, this is a system all in and of itself. Great training. You're going to get approved for 100% commissions throughout the entire funnel. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. That is an affiliate link, so I appreciate it if you use it, if this is something that's of interest to you. Definitely let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate if you would give a thumbs up on the video, and then subscribe if you haven't, so that you can be notified when new videos come out. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.